Hello, my name is Alba. I am from Cundinamarca, Colombia. I live in Suachoque, Cundinamarca, and I live with my family. This is my little family. My husband, my daughter, my son, and me. This is my husband. He is a tall man. He has green eyes and black hair. His name is Fernando Camacho. He is 35 years old. He is a truck driver and he loves his work. And he is a very good husband. This is my daughter Sarita, and he is 8 years old. She is a beautiful girl. She is a student of 3rd grade in the school Tomás de Iriarte in Suachoque. He has long and clear hair. He is my son Luis Gabriel. He has short and black hair. He is a student of kindergarten in Suachoque too. He loves his work and his teacher. Her name is Joanna. I love my family. I love my husband and my children. Thank you.